Stainless steel lid and cast side caps. This grill is solid, with a heavy-duty handle, stainless steel doors and side shelves. This durable grill is built to be both tough and beautiful. The black porcelain-coated finish is virtually unscratchable. As you can see, not even a heat can scratch the finish. Best for retaining heat and even cooking, and the porcelain coating makes for easier cleanup. The Monument grills include LED control knobs, easy to light with pilotless electronic ignition, powered by AA battery. This grill also comes with a USB-powered flexible grill light to allow you to grill at night and see what is cooking. The 4 burners are constructed with the highest grade of stainless steel with an 8-year warranty. The Monument cooking system, burners, flame tamer, and cooking grid are precisely engineered together to minimize heat up time and provide consistent temperature across the cooking surface. This means no hot spots and some food burnt while some is raw. Our porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grids offer a large cooking surface of 513.3 square inches primary cooking area with even heat cooking, plus another 210 square inches of warming rack with a large, easy-to-read thermometer for accurate cooking temperatures. We also added a side burner that you can use to warm sauces or cook your favorite side dishes without going inside. Looking inside the double cabinet doors, there's a propane tank holder and extra storage. 4 locking nylon wheels allow you to easily move the grill and lock it in place securely. Added storage hooks on the outside of each shelf to hold your cleaning brush on one side and cooking utensils on the other. The easy access coated grease pan can be accessed from the back of the grill. Better grilling, better value, Monument Grills.